Welcome to Roscoe Weekly. I'm Iris, and I'm here to bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and the like buttons right here to stay up with the latest updates. China's steel prices have been declining due to weak demand. According to the latest data from the NBS, daily crude steel output in China increased to over 3 million tons in March. However, due to factors such as increased rainfall and pessimistic market sentiment, demand has been weak in recent weeks. On a macro level, growth of industry production and investment in fixed assets were lower than expected. Additionally, the property market, which is closely related to steel demand, declined from January to March. Next, let's check out the production and consumption assets. This week, China's steel output decreased by more than 118,000 tons due to weak prices and losses caused by steel producers who reduced their output. Meanwhile, China's steel demand decreased by 114,000 tons and total steel inventory damaged by less than 380,000 tons, indicating that steel demand remains sluggish and inventories are lower than expected. What is the prediction for Chinese steel prices next week? We believe that Chinese steel prices will continue to trend downward due to the lack of recovery in the current macroeconomy in China and the cautious attitude of market players toward the actual effects of related stimulus policies. Moreover, regulatory authorities have impressed price controls on iron ore, and expectations of increased iron ore supply have caused iron ore prices to decline. Therefore, it is anticipated that steel prices will continue to decrease in the following week. Well, how do you see the Chinese steel market? If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.